In primetime news this evening, it's the eve of the crucial East Portland by-election. Our team is live in the constituency.
Another road project on the horizon in St. Andrew. What's the impact on the motoring public?
And later, Jamaicans affected by Windrush scandal to be compensated.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Archibald Gordon. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Archie. Well, despite a court order to stop operating, telecoms company Carousel says it will continue offering services legally. Also, tomorrow, gas prices are going up. I'll have all the details in the business day.
And Jermaine Brown is here with a look at what's happening in the sports world.
Well, thank you, Janella. Well, so Champs is finished, but here comes the Carifta trials this weekend. But one prominent school says our athletes will not be there. Find out a bit later on.
He forgot to say that Champs is finished, but Schools Challenge Cruise was last night.
I'm leaving this alone, folks, but I will be back at the end of the news with my own commentary, but later on we'll have sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in a prime time package. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, what are your views on government's plans to pass laws to get people to reduce their consumption of salt and fatty foods?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and you can tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.